alternating current and alternating voltage. जो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट है, this electric current is of two types. One is direct current and other is alternating current. When we connect a cell to a torch bulb like this, then current flows in one direction. Now this is circuit for this cell. This is symbol for cell. This end is positive, this end is negative. This is connected to a resistance R and I current flows through it. Suppose EMF of this cell is capital E, so current I is equal to E upon R. So if we draw graph between time taken in second and current, suppose current is in milliampere, then graph is like this. So here direction of current is not changing, so this is direct current. AC जनरेटर में हमने पढ़ा था कि when a coil rotates inside magnetic field, then alternating current is generated. See, this is diagram for alternating current generator. इसके बारे में पहले वीडियो में आप समझ चुके हैं. उसमें क्या था कि एक coil magnetic field में ऐसे rotate कर रही है. So when coil rotates inside the magnetic field, then EMF which is induced at the ends of the coil is alternating EMF, means its polarity changes with time and direction of current also changes with time. उसके लिए इंड्यूस्ड EMF का फार्मूला भी हमने डिराइव किया था, विच इज E इज इक्वल टू E नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी, और इट में आल्सो बी रिटन एज V इज इक्वल टू V नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी. दिस इज सिंबल फॉर अल्टरनेटिंग करंट सोर्स सिंस करंट इज साइनोसोडियल. सो to represent this graph, this AC is represented by this symbol means AC voltage source. Now if resistance is connected to this source, then for half the time period direction of current is suppose this, and for next half time period T by 2 direction of current is opposite to this. So this happens again and again. So this is alternating current. So alternating current is the current whose magnitude changes continuously with time. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड टाइम के साथ कॉन्टीन्यूसली चेंज हो रहा हो, सी इन दिस ग्राफ. एंड डायरेक्शन चेंजेस पीरियडिकली, और आफ्टर हाफ पीरियड इट्स डायरेक्शन चेंजेस. दिस 0 to capital T is complete cycle. This is one time period. Capital T is one time period, and after every T by 2 time direction of current is changing. So T is time period which is equal to time period of rotation of coil. Suppose its angular frequency is omega and linear frequency is nu. So if nu is equal to 50 Hz, हमें पता है घरों में जो सप्लाई होती है इंडिया में, उसकी भारतवर्ष में जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की सप्लाई होती है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी, लीनियर फ्रीक्वेंसी 50 Hz. इट मीन्स the coil which is rotating in powerhouse generator where electricity is produced in powerhouse, coil is rotating with 50 revolution per second, which is also known as 50 cycle per second. Now angular frequency omega is equal to 2 pi nu. So this is omega. So when nu is equal to 50 Hz, then omega will be equal to 15 to 2 pi means 100 pi radian per second, and time period is 1 by 50 means 0.02 second. So after 0.01 second direction of current changes. Similarly for alternating EMF, alternating EMF is the EMF whose value changes continuously with time, and direction means polarity, plus and minus signs, they change after regular interval of time, and direction polarity changes periodically. So it is written as, its equation is, its formula is equal to E naught sin omega t, and V is equal to V naught sin omega t. This is graph for V and time t. अब यहाँ एवरेज का मीनिंग समझते हैं. ऑल्दो यू नो अबाउट इट, लेकिन इसको थोड़ा रिपीट करते हैं समझने के लिए. अल्टरनेटिंग करंट और वोल्टेज की एवरेज वैल्यू, आरएमएस वैल्यू, मीन स्क्वायर वैल्यू, रूट मीन स्क्वायर वैल्यू के लिए. सपोज हियर आर n नंबर्स x1 x2 x3 up to xn, and we want mean value of these numbers or average value of these numbers. So we know that we add them and divide with this n, where n is number of these numbers. Now suppose numbers are 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. We add them and divide this by 5 because here are 5 numbers. So its average is 3. If numbers are 3, 2, minus 1, minus 5, plus 6, then we add them like algebra, following the rules of algebra, and so here average is 1. Now if we square numbers, suppose there are 4 numbers, so we square them, add them and divide them by 4. So square these numbers, add them and divide by 4 because here numbers are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is mean square value. Now if we take square root of this, then value is known as root mean square, RMS value. So x RMS is equal to under root x bar square. This is equal to 2.12. Now if any circuit, suppose current is flowing and its value is different at different time interval. It is 2 ampere for first 2 seconds, then 1 ampere for 2 seconds to 6 seconds, means for 4 seconds, then 0 for this 2 seconds. तो अब इसका एवरेज हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? तो डिफरेंट इंटरवल टाइम ऑफ टाइम में जो करंट्स हैं उनको टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, I1 इंटू T1, इन्हें ऐड करेंगे, ऐड करने के बाद टोटल टाइम से डिवाइड कर देंगे. सो हेयर एवरेज करंट, नाउ दिस I इंटू T इज ग्राफ ऑफ दिस एरिया. This is summation IT. We may also write is summation IT. So this is graph of this area. So this is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2. For this 2 second current is 0. Then 2 into 2. So this is now divided by total time, which is 10 seconds. So this average is 1.2 ampere. So this is average value of current for this graph. Similarly, we can find the average value of voltage. Now, AC voltage is given by the equation V is equal to V naught sin omega t. This value of voltage changes sinusoidally. So, average for complete cycle is 0 because this is positive half cycle and this is negative. So, let us calculate average for half cycle. If peak value is V naught and instantaneous value is V, angular frequency is omega. So, to calculate its average value for half cycle, suppose at any time t its value is V, voltage is V. So in time interval dt, what is product of this V and dt? This is area of this strip. यहाँ हमने क्या किया, V वोल्टेज के बराबर ये वर्टिकल लाइन है और dt टाइम, दिस इज टाइम इंटरवल. इतने टाइम इंटरवल में इसका एरिया क्या है? अभी हमने देखा था कि एवरेज कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, वोल्टेज और टाइम ग्राफ का एरिया कैलकुलेट करके टोटल टाइम से डिवाइड कर देंगे. सो एवरेज फॉर हाफ साइकिल, उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, टोटल एरिया कैसे आएगी, जितने वी डी टी हैं इनको सबको ऐड करेंगे हम. सो दिस एडिशन इज इक्वल टू ग्राफ ऑफ दिस एरिया ऑफ दिस ग्राफ. सो एरिया कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, बाय इंटीग्रेटिंग दिस वी डी टी फ्रॉम 0 to T/2, and if we divide it by total time we get average value of voltage. So this is equal to 0 to T/2. For V we may write V naught sin omega t multiplied by dt divided by total time is T/2. Now integration of sin omega t is minus 1 upon omega cos omega t. So V average is equal to this much, limits are from 0 to T/2. So V average is equal to V naught upon omega, take out this 1 upon omega outside, and for cos omega t we may write cos 2 pi upon capital T into t because omega is equal to 2 pi upon capital T. Now limits are from 0 to T/2. This is because integration of sin omega t is minus 1 upon omega cos omega t. Now substitute the limits for t capital T/2 upper limit and for the lower limit t is equal to 0. So this is equal to V naught upon omega t/2 minus cos 2 pi upon capital T into T/2 minus cos 0 degree. So V average is equal to V naught upon for omega write 2 pi upon capital T into T/2 minus cos pi minus 1. Now this pi is in radian. So cos 180 degree as cos pi radian is equal to -1. For cos 0 we write 1, this is minus cos 0, so this is minus 1, this minus minus becomes plus 1, and this minus 1 into minus becomes plus 1, so this is equal to 2v naught upon pi. So this is average value of voltage for half cycle. So average value of voltage for positive half cycle is equal to 2v naught upon pi. Now pi is equal to 3.14, so this is equal to 0.637 v naught, where v naught is peak value or amplitude of voltage. Average value of voltage for negative half cycle is equal to minus 2 v naught upon pi. So average for complete cycle, this is equal to 0. Now similarly we can derive formula for average current for half cycle, which is equal to 2 I naught upon pi for positive half cycle and minus 2 I naught upon pi for negative half cycle. Average current for complete cycle for alternating current is equal to 0. We will derive this formula in next video for average value of current, and also learn that what is physical meaning of this average current when compare it with a DC current. Thanks. Have a nice day.